Determine which value, if any, of the variable must be excluded, and simplify the expression. X squared plus 5x minus 36 over x squared minus 81. So here, if we want to find the value that we need to exclude it, set the denominator not equal to 0. So we have x squared minus 81 not equal to 0. We need to factor x squared minus 81. So this here is a difference of squares. So we have x squared is x times x, 81 is 9 times 9, 1 plus, the other is a minus, not equal to 0. Set each group not equal to 0 and solve. So x plus 9 not equal to 0, x minus 9 not equal to 0. The first one minus 9 over. So x cannot equal to negative 9. The other one, we need to add the 9 over. So x cannot equal to 9. The second part, we need to simplify. In order for us to simplify, we need to factor. We already factor the bottom, so we need to factor the top now. X squared plus 5x minus 36. So here we have 3 terms. The number in front of x squared is 1. So we need 2 numbers that multiply give us negative 36. Add give us 5. So we have 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, and 6 times 6. So the one that would give us 5 is the 4 and the 9. So we have 4 and 9. We need negative 36, so one of them needs to be negative. We need positive 5, so the smaller number is negative. So we have negative 4, positive 9. So this is x minus 4, x plus 9. So the top, we have x minus 4, x plus 9. The bottom we factor already in part A, which is x plus 9, x minus 9. X plus 9, x minus 9. So here, x plus 9 cancel out. So our answer is x minus 4 over x minus 9. Five x squared minus 17x minus 12 over x squared plus 2x minus 24. So again, the first thing we need to find the value that we need to exclude. So the denominator cannot equal to 0. And again, we need to factor this. The number in front of the x squared here is 1. We have 3 terms. We have x squared, x, no x in the order that we need. So we need 2 numbers that multiply give us negative 24. But when add, give us the middle number 2. So here we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. The one that would give us 2, we have 4 and 6. We need negative 24, so one of them needs to be negative. We need positive 2, so the smaller number is negative. So we have negative 4, positive 6. So we have x minus 4 times x plus 6 not equal to 0. Set each group not equal to 0 and solve. So x minus 4 not equal to 0, x plus 6 not equal to 0. So for the first one, add 4 over, and we have x not equal to 4. The second one minus 6 over, so x cannot equal to negative 6. The second step, we need to factor the top. We already factored the bottom. So the top, we have 5x squared minus 17x minus 12. We have 3 terms. The number in front of the x squared is not 1. There is no GCF. So we are going to use the AC method for this one. So AC, so A times C, so that is 5 times negative 12, which is negative 60. We need 2 numbers that multiply give us negative 60, but when we add, we get the middle number, negative 17. So we have 1 times 60, we have 2 times 30, 3 times 20, 4 times 15, 5 times 12, and 6 times 10. So the potential one that would give us 17, we have 3 times 20, and we also have 5 times 12. But here we need negative 60, so one of them needs to be negative. That means that we have to subtract the number eventually. So 5 and 12 will not work. So this here, we need to use 3 and 20. We need negative 60, so one of them needs to be negative. But we need negative 17, so the larger number needs to be negative. So we have positive 3, negative 20. Rewrite the middle term, so instead of negative 17x, we have 3x minus 20x. So we have 5x squared plus 3x minus 20x minus 12. Factor by grouping, so group 2 by 2. The first group, pull out the GCF, which is x. The remaining is 5x plus 3. For the second group, the GCF is a minus 4. Pull out minus 4, and we have 5x plus 3 left over inside the parentheses. So here, inside the parentheses, they are the same. So that is one group. The outside x minus 4 is the other group. So that is our factor. So on top, we have 5x plus 3 times x minus 4. On the bottom, we get it from part A, the factor for the bottom, which is x minus 4 times x plus 6. So here, x minus 4 cancel out. So we end up with 5x plus 3 over x plus 6 as our answer.